Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the post on the Tids app. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to delete a post on the Tids application, I just going to show this video. First of all, we just going to post something, so we can also post something like a hi. This is also a post actually. So I just posted a text post and also a image post. So now you just need to click on this three dot option here and you will see option for delete, and you can also change who can reply for this, like this anyone or profile you follow or mention to only, and also you can hide the like count. So just click on the delete option. It will ask you to delete this post. You can cancel it or you can just delete it. The same thing is for the image also. Just click on the three dots and click on the delete option, and the same process, click on the delete option and your post has been deleted. So this is how you just delete your post on your Tids account. You just swipe down, you can see the post has been deleted, and this is how you just delete the post on your Tids account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.